a psychologist. I'm founder of Lightroom Therapy and Counseling Services. Today I'm here to talk to you about mindful productivity and how it can bring about a sea change in your life. Now the question arises, what is mindful productivity? Mindful productivity is the ability to be in touch with your present moment and also to be in sync with your internal feelings and emotions. Now I'll quickly tell you about the 5 ways how you can bring about mindfulness in your daily activities and start enjoying work from home. First is kickstart your day on a good note. Now when you get up in the morning, many of you might be jumping from your dreams onto your phone, onto social media. Well, this clutters your mind with excessive information and makes you anxious as well as sad. Not a right way to start your morning with. On the contrary, I would suggest you keep a journal by your side. When you get up in the morning, your subconscious mind is still open. At that time, pouring out all your maddening, confusing thoughts on a piece of paper for 5 to 7 minutes helps you to kickstart your day on a good note and also with a clear and open mind. Second is create a mindful workspace. External environment plays a significant role in setting a tone for internal well-being. I think there is no denying this fact. Many of you, when you see clutter around, might be getting confused. Many of you get anxious, and many of you also are not able to function when there is clutter around. So having a spick and span workspace goes a long way in caring for your internal well-being. Surrounding yourself with pictures of Buddha or statue of Buddha, pictures of nature, candles, essential oils will not only infuse life to your workspace but will also have a soothing and calming effect on you, thereby increasing your focus on work. Next thing is one thing at a time. Many of you who bask in the glory of being a multitasker, I have a news for you. Stop doing that. Because Harvard researchers have found out that average person is glued to his thoughts 47% of the time. And multitasking keeps you stuck over there. On the contrary, when you're concentrating on one thing at a time, you're able to give and derive maximum benefit out of it, and at the same time you're able to up your quality standards, and on the top of it, this helps you to pull you out of drudgery of your thoughts. A win-win situation. Next is go slow. Well, if there is any easiest way to inculcate mindfulness in your daily routine, I would say going slow is that way. Go slow means do everything slowly. Talk slowly, work slowly, eat slowly, listen attentively to the other person before jumping on to conclusion or starting to form answers in your mind. This will go a long way in increasing your proficiency, and also you will be there by the finish line, and most importantly you will be able to enjoy each and every moment of your work. So don't be in haste, be slow. Remember, thought is not the hare, won the race. Well, next is love yourself. Shower yourself with a lot of love. Do exercise daily, meditate daily. They fill you, they produce hormone and they produce endorphins in you, which is a happy hormone, and connect to your loved ones, and take breaks in between. Breaks infuse you with energy to bounce back. Rest is pivotal. Even if you're working from home, doesn't mean that you have to work 24/7. You have to take rest, in the evening by the time your work ends. And last but not the least, fill that gratitude and accomplishment journal. Have that pep talk with you. Be thankful for whatever you have on your plate and pat at your back at times. This help you in boosting your confidence. I'm sure all the things which are laid in front of you are doable. You'll be able to incorporate them and slowly, steadily internalize them as well. So happy mindfulness from me. Thank you so much.